Felix knives are still produced in Solingen, the centre of Germany's cutlery industry. Since 1790, the Felix family has worked with cutlery, and the Felix Company was established in 1843. The production includes a wide range of kitchen knives for professional and domestic use, either stamped or individually forged. A forged chef's knife is an essential for any kitchen. It is the most used knife worldwide. Its manufacturing takes more than 35 production steps. Only molybdenum vanadium steel with a minimum content of 0.5% carbon is used for production of a Felix knife. It guarantees corrosion-resistant, flexible and sharp blades. Under 325 tons of pressure, the raw material is cut to specified measurements. The middle part of the split, which is wider, later forms the bolster. The raw material is heated to a temperature of 1090 degrees Celsius. In 3 or 4 strokes, the hammer forms the first rough shape and bolster. Before the knife is further processed, the correct measurements are checked. The structure of the steel is inspected under the microscope for flaws and lumps. This is one of the most important production steps, which mostly influence the final quality of the blade and which gives a very fine steel structure and a strong yet flexible blade. First, the blade is heated up to 1050 degrees centigrade. Then the blade is quenched in an oil bath. Then the blade is processed with a deep freezing at -80 degrees centigrade. Finally, the blade is again reheated to 200 degrees centigrade. Felix knives reach an average hardness of 58 degrees Rockwell. Grinding consists of 3 operations. Thickness grinding, by which the blade reaches its final shape as regards thickness. Back or spine grinding, done either by hand or machine. Glazing, by which the blade is coated to reach a satin finish which stands for good corrosion resistance. After grinding, the blade is again checked for straightness and flexibility. Dishwasher-safe plastic handles are triple riveted to the tine and sealed to guarantee that no gaps remain between the metal part of the handle and the handle scales. This prevents food particles from entering and causing the growth of bacteria. Various lathing operations follow, all of them requiring the skill of a trained craftsman. On a special stone, the blade is given its cutting edge. Following this, the burr is removed and the edge polished. A final cleaning by hand and the last inspection follow to make sure that only perfect knives leave the factory. Cut better with Felix. These knives should not be missing in any kitchen, either for private or professional use. Felix. Progress and tradition.